If you're 30 and I'm 32, who's older?
You?
No, I'm 32.
Right. You're 32.
Yeah, you're 30 and I'm 32.
So that means you're older by 2 years. 32.
I'm 32.
32!
Yes.
That means you're older, honey. It's not the same age.
What? You're 30 and I'm 32.
You are older. You are 32. I am 30.
Yes.
32.
You're 30 and I'm 32.
Yeah, I get it.
I'm 32.
Right, you're 32. 32 years old.
What? You're 30 and I'm 32.